In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to complete your GAT-B 2026 registration. Just follow carefully, don't rush, and you will complete it easily. Important instructions. Before we start, listen carefully. Use a laptop only. Don't fill the form on mobile. Keep your 10th mark sheet ready. Even a photo or photocopy is enough. Don't click on any unnecessary links. Follow each step carefully. Stay calm and don't hurry. After final submission, you cannot edit anything. Before you start, first watch the video completely. If you have any doubts, ask in comments. Then watch again and register along with me. Important. Pause the video and do step by step. Use mobile phone only for OTP and watching this video. Open any search engines like Google or Microsoft Edge and search GAT-B 2026 registration. Click on the official NTA website link only. Don't open any random sites. Then you will see the official NTA page. Click on the registration for GAT-B and BET 2026. Now you will see three options in the screen. Click on New Registration on the middle, not Login at the third option. Read all instructions carefully. Scroll down slowly. Don't skip it because this contains all the necessary information for the exam. Scroll down. Here you will see Step 1 registration, Step 2 application form, Step 3 fee payment. We are now doing Step 1, that is registration form. After scrolling it down, you will see password rules. Create a strong password. Minimum 8 characters. Use capital, small letters, numbers and symbols. Remember your password. That is very important while registering and after exam also. Further scrolling down, you will see declaration box. Tick the declaration box which is in a square. Don't directly click here to proceed box. Like shown here, first click the checkbox, then click here to proceed. Next step is to enter your personal details. Enter your details exactly as in your 10th mark sheet, such as name, father and mother name, date of birth, gender. Double check everything. Next, to fill your contact details. Fill your address carefully, like state, district, PIN code. Enter correct email ID and your mobile number, which you will get OTP. Fill permanent address. If same, select same as present address box. Then create password and security question with answer. Enter the CAPTCHA carefully, then click Submit button. This is a review page. Now check all details carefully. If those details were correct, select I have verified all the personal details submits on the tick box. Scroll down and check the details in contact and permanent address. Tick verification box. Then scroll down. Ensure that you have ticked all verification checkboxes. Then finally click I agree. Then submit the form to get the OTP. In case you have submitted any wrong information in the review page, then click on the edit registration form button It goes back while you filling the details. Enter the correct detail. After that, follow the instructions as same. Then give I agree. Then submit and get OTP. You will receive OTP on your mobile. Wait for 3 minutes. If not, click on Resend OTP. In major cases, OTP will arrive within 1 minute. Enter the OTP, then click on Submit Registration Form. So students, your registration is now successfully completed. Make sure to note down your application number carefully. Even though your name and application number will be sent to your email ID by NTA. Writing it down is very important for safety. Also, your password. Then remember, this step was only registration, not the full application form. Your registration form is successfully completed, but the application form filling is the next step. I will upload a separate video soon on biobrainzz explaining how to fill the application form. Now, one last important step. On the left hand side, you will see the logout option. Click on logout and then close the entire window. This is important to avoid any misuse of your account. Thank you and see you in the next video. Next stage is students login, which will be posted soon in biobrainzz. If you need guidance for preparation, check biobrainzz. Subscribe for updates and stay prepared. Thank you. Subscribe to biobrainzz. Follow for GAT-B 2026 updates. Stay informed, stay prepared.